How did that cat fit through that tiny hole? Tall dog advantage. Reaching the lock like a boss. This rabbit found the emergency exit. The chubby puppy forced his way out like rent was due. This horse said, "Doors are just suggestions." Smart Horse unlocked the door with his mouth. No keys needed. When your owner forgets you're basically a tiny mouse. I didn't know hamsters came with springs. Stop whining and start biting your way out. Maybe the owner needs a taller cage door. Smart Dog calculated the gap and said, "Yep, I fit." How did this horse even know that was an exit? He didn't even know he could fit the whole time. When your bestie helps you escape prison. This llama is way too cute to be trapped.
Yeah, there you go. You learned it.
This cat definitely studied the escape route. When the tall dog is too lazy to jump. That cat made it look way too easy. So dogs can climb now? Great.